Eazybot has been by far the biggest and best investment so far in the crypto space for me. It generates massive amounts of passive income on a daily basis. Lately, I even said that it's smarter than ChatGPT. Today, I want to show you how Eazybot outperformed the market by 50% in just 2 months. Stay tuned. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for yet another Eazybot update. Thank you for tuning in. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Eazybot and already made massive amounts of profit. As you can see, I'm now up more than $2,600, and today I want to show you the story of this Solana bot right here. I started this bot during the FTX crash, and the Solana price went through some degenerate amount of volatility during that time. But now let's check out how this Solana bot outperformed the market by 50%. So guys, this is the Solana chart between 9th of November and January 3rd, 2023. So our Solana journey started with our first initial buy at about $20.26, and our last sell was at $12.77. This marks a price difference or a market dump of about 37%. Through all the volatility during that time, Eazybot managed to put in a total profit of more than 11.2%. Absolutely insane. To go more in detail about how it really happened, we're gonna check out 3 of the more important and more profitable trades during that time. So as I said, our initial buy all the way up here, over $20, we were able to sell this trade pretty quickly on the next day for only $16. So we started at $20.26, sold the whole cycle at $16.19, and profited 3.93% during a market drop of more than 20%. This was possible because in those 1 or 2 days there was an absolute insane amount of volatility in Solana. During the next couple of days, Solana price was rising a little bit, and we also made a decent amount of profit, but not as big of a deal to feature it on this video. The next bigger trade started all the way up here and ended mid-December. During that time, and this trade was live for a little bit over a month, we could use all the volatility in between to bank in some profits lower down the average price, and were able to sell it in only $14.72. Again, a market drop of 18.4%, but still the bot managed to put in 3.6% in clear profit. Right after that, the last featured trade was happening, so we bought in at the same price of $14.72 and were able to sell it on January 3rd, 2023 for $12.77. During the time, we profited for 2.23% with a market drop of minus 13.24%. And you can see that Solana price actually dumped all the way to just above $8.50 in the meantime, but gladly picked it back up, so we were able to sell it fairly quickly. And if you guys are interested in the bot and making big profits even in tough market conditions like this, I'll have a link down below in the description box so you can sign up for free. I will also link a video in the top right corner to a video of mine I did a couple of weeks ago, where I go a little bit into detail how the strategy works and how it's able to put in those profits in those market conditions. And before we go any further, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Crypto is a very risky investment, and we currently have very difficult market conditions, so an even riskier investment. Please do your own research before you jump in any kind of investment. So those are the live trades happening in that time from my live account. So you can see from bottom to top, oldest trades to newest trades. And let's check out the 3 featured trades on this video. So trade number 1 from $26 or from $20.26, sorry, to $16.19 all the way in the bottom. The second one from $18 to $14.72. And the trade from $14.72 to about $12.77. So Solana bot had a balance of $600. During the time, it managed to profit $66.90, so 11.15%. Meanwhile, the market dropped 36.97%. So this bot outperformed Solana coin by almost 50% in just 2 months. And now 1 week later, we can actually see that this bot now has over $80 in profits, so more than 13%, because obviously Solana had another good run in the last couple of days. But let's wrap up the video real quick. As you guys know, this is my best investment for passive income. Generates me $300, $400, $500, $600 every single month. I now have about $15 attached to it. And even in tough market conditions, it just performs on a daily basis. If you like the content, please leave a thumbs up, or even better, sub to the channel, would really appreciate it. And then we see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Sun to dream